In the hunt for profits by flipping items from garage sales, there are two types of sales. There are duds and there are winners. These are their stories.
Morning. Mind if we look around?
Sure.
How much did you watch?
25. Never been worn.
Really? Do 20 on him?
I'm sorry?
You do 20 on him?
Sure.
So I'm not a watch guy at all, but this one seemed to check all the boxes. It's a Seiko, which I know is a decent brand. It's definitely new in the package, still got the tag attached, and it's got a price tag on it of $195. So I thought it'd be worth the 20 bucks. If I'd have been smart, I would have just looked it up on eBay. I would have seen that there's only 3 currently listed. There's 8 that have sold, so that's a pretty good sell-through rate. And the cheapest one that's listed is $146.25. So I think it's a pretty good buy. I'm probably going to list it around $135 and just let it go.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We got a tight clean board.
Good morning. How are y'all?
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning. How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Good. I see a lot of cool clubs.
Yeah.
What's your prices on them? Are they all different?
These are 10, and the drivers are 25.
Each?
Yep. Yeah, the whole set for whatever that says.
Says 30.
Yep. Those ones are 25. It's women's drivers. and
Let's set
stuff.
these over here. Listen. Well, goodness, they keep coming.
Yeah, we have a lot of golf clubs.
I would have loved to have just bought all of those golf clubs and even those bags. They were really nice, but her prices were set in stone and they were kind of high. And the clubs themselves, they weren't in that great a condition. They were definitely well used. But I did get a few things. Let me show you what I got. So this is what I got. I got a set of irons and 2 drivers. These are 2 TaylorMade Superfast 2.0 drivers. This is a ladies version, and this is actually a mid flex, which is kind of between a ladies and a senior flex. Paid $70 for everything. She wanted $25 a piece for those, $30 for the irons. That's $80, but the grips on the drivers were bad. So I kind of used that as a bargaining tool to get her to knock it down $10, and she agreed. This lady's driver is currently listed for $89. This one just sold for $80. TaylorMade's are definitely a good brand to be on the lookout for. And so is Cleveland. These irons are not in great condition. Definitely a little bit of ball wear on the face and on the bottoms there. But I paid $30 for them. Got them listed for $125 with best offer. Probably going to get an offer around $110, $115 and sell them. So not too bad of a profit. Just paid a little more than I wanted to.
Morning. How are y'all?
Morning.
How much are your clubs?
For that one?
Yeah.
That's $10.
And how about this cool Budweiser putter?
$2.
You talked me into it. Never seen one before.
No, you never seen one before?
No.
How much for your two?
Shoes are 11 and the size 11 and a half. I feel like they're brand new.
Yeah, they look good.
They're brand new. They're just wore.
I'm an 11, so they probably wouldn't.
$1 for everything.
Okay.
How much are you asking for this set?
Brent?
Make me an offer. I'll sell you the whole bit.
I have no
You're
idea.
left-handed.
Yeah. 20 bucks? Keep throwing something at the wall, see what sticks.
Jerry,
Yes.
20 bucks for everything. Is that a good price?
Yeah. For your set.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
That's
fine.
a real good price, yeah.
Let me just check the pockets because I haven't looked.
Yeah,
at
don't
this.
don't leave any cash in there.
So shout out Gary for agreeing that $20 was a good price for those clubs. It actually turned out way better than I thought. So let me show you what I got, and I'm going to show you some other brands that you can be on the lookout for. There's definitely some good money to be made in golf. First thing that caught my eye was this bright red putter. It's a Ray Cook putter with a Budweiser logo on it. I've never seen one before. It's in decent condition. Thought it would be pretty valuable. Only paid $2 for it. Turns out it's not that valuable. I'll throw some comps on the screen. Also picked up this Callaway Razer Fit driver. Callaway is a great brand to be on the lookout for. They make some pretty high-end stuff. I'm going to actually hit this driver and see if I like it better than the one that I have now. Paid $10 for it. Throw some comps on the screen. And then in that $20 bag was this iron set, this wood set, and there was some wedges and putters that weren't really worth anything. This is a set of King Cobra woods. I've got the driver, the 3, and the 5 wood. I'm listing them separately. Sometimes I like to break up a set like that. I can tend to get a little more money on it if I've got time to wait. These are left-handed also, so they're a little more rare. This last set right here really surprised me. They're Strixon, and I never find Strixon anything. It's a good brand to be on the lookout for. They make some pretty high-end stuff. Also, they're forged. If you ever see forged on a golf club, even on some off-brand irons, they can be worth some decent money. These are left-handed once again, so that makes them a little more rare. They're in really good condition, and they actually just sold for $215. So $20 for all of this. These just sold for $215. Even this Michelin Man head cover, it's got some value. What?
Good morning, how are you?
Can't get started too early because of the dew.
How much are your little carolers? How much are these guys?
I'm gonna do this again next Saturday if the weather's good. This isn't everything, trust me.
Got a bunch, huh?
I don't know. I just now opened them up. Let me think for a minute.
So at this point, I gotta admit, I'm a little perturbed. It's late in the morning, I'm kind of hangry, and this lady won't even give me a price on anything. So I cut the camera off. It's time to go. But then I turn around, and like an angel out of the heavens, my wife appears, and she's loaded down with all this stuff. Apparently, while I was looking at Christmas decorations, this guy brings out this tote, and it was full of goodies. Let me show you what she found. So she got all this stuff. Paid $22 for everything. Let me kind of go through it with you. The Wizard of Oz Uno, not that great. One did sell for 25, but there's several listed. This Go and Azul, probably $20, $30 a piece. They're both sealed. Charleston same thing. It's sealed, so maybe $20, $30 a piece. But now we get to the good stuff. These PIM trucks, couldn't find an exact one that matched this Pro Haul, but similar ones, definitely some good comps on those. This Rummy Cube or Rummy Cub, these things always sell well for me if they're complete. This one happens to be brand new. Sell-through rate's pretty crazy on these, so it should go pretty quick. Got the Jaws Yahtzee. The box is obviously crushed, but it's brand new. None have sold, but look at what people are asking on eBay. Kind of crazy. What would you list it at? Leave me a comment down below. I'm kind of curious. And then Sorry, the Splash Mountain Edition. This is kind of crazy. Check these out. So yeah, the reason why this is so valuable is the Brer Fox, Brer Rabbit, Brer Bear. They're not in that ride anymore. It's been rethemed to Princess and the Frog, so it's now Tiana and all of her friends that are in the ride. So if you ever see these characters on anything, it's probably worth picking up. The stuff's getting more rare and rare. And then the King Kong sealed board game. And the crazy thing, it's from 1976. This thing's been in the box sealed from 1976, and it's really almost in mint condition, a little dusty. Once again, I only paid $2 for it. There's a sold comp of $169. There's one listed for $249. I'm going to put mine somewhere in between, so definitely some good profit on there. And I did actually go back and get this UKEG. Paid $40 for it, but comps look pretty good. So we definitely did pretty well on this yard sale, even though I was ready to leave. So shout out to my wife for saving that one for us. She did awesome. So this was definitely one of the best yard sale days we've had in a long time. And I even left one out. It's actually its own video. Check that out here. It's some amazing stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.